Welcome to our YouTube guide on using ChatGPT to interpret and analyze financial statements like an accountant. Financial statements are a vital source of information for decision-making, and today we'll show you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to gain valuable insights from these statements. Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. By utilizing ChatGPT, business leaders can effectively communicate with the model to interpret and analyze financial statements. Step 1. Formulating your prompt. To effectively prompt ChatGPT, start by stating the objective of your analysis. For example, I need to analyze the income statement of company XYZ and identify the key drivers of profitability. Be clear and specific about what you're looking to achieve. Step 2. Inputting the data. Once you have extracted the relevant financial data and organized it in text format, you can input it into ChatGPT for analysis. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the ChatGPT interface or platform you're using. 2. Locate the input area or text box where you can interact with ChatGPT. 3. Copy the extracted financial data from your text document. 4. Paste the data into the input area of ChatGPT. 5. Review the pasted text to ensure it has been correctly transferred and formatted. 6. If necessary, provide a brief introduction or context about the data you've inputted. 7. After ensuring the input is accurate, proceed to ask specific questions or prompt ChatGPT to perform the desired analysis. Organizing the data and labeling it appropriately to ensure the best possible analysis and interpretation from ChatGPT. Continue the iterative process by asking follow-up questions, refining the prompts, and engaging in a dialogue to gain deeper insights from ChatGPT's responses. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT can assist with analysis, it is essential to verify and validate the results against established accounting principles and practices to ensure accuracy and reliability in your financial interpretation and decision-making process. Step 3. Asking relevant questions. To extract meaningful insights, ask ChatGPT specific questions related to your analysis. For example, you could ask, what is the net income for company XYZ in the current fiscal year? Or, what is the trend in the gross profit margin over the past 3 years? Tailor your questions to address the key areas of interest in the financial statements. Step 4. Analyzing ratios and trends. ChatGPT can help you calculate and interpret financial ratios to assess the company's financial health. You can ask questions like, what is the current ratio for company XYZ? Or, has the debt-to-equity ratio improved over time? These ratios provide insights into liquidity, profitability, and leverage. Step 5. Exploring variance analysis. To understand the reasons behind changes in financial performance, prompt ChatGPT to conduct variance analysis. Ask questions such as, what factors contributed to the increase in operating expenses compared to the previous year? Or, why did the inventory turnover ratio decrease in the current period? ChatGPT can help identify potential drivers of variance. Step 6. Engaging in dialogue. Remember that ChatGPT's responses may require further clarification or refinement. Engage in a dialogue by asking follow-up questions to gain a deeper understanding of the analysis. For example, if ChatGPT identifies a significant increase in accounts receivable, you could ask, what could be the potential implications of this increase for cash flow? Now that you know how to use ChatGPT to interpret and analyze financial statements like an accountant, let's talk about the benefits of leveraging this technology. Firstly, ChatGPT can save you time and effort by automating the analysis process. Instead of manually calculating ratios or poring over spreadsheets, you can get quick and accurate responses from ChatGPT, allowing you to focus on interpreting the results. Secondly, ChatGPT can provide additional insights and perspectives that you may have overlooked. Its vast knowledge base and ability to analyze data from multiple angles can help uncover patterns and relationships that can enhance your analysis. Lastly, ChatGPT can assist in scenario analysis. You can ask questions like, what would be the impact on profitability if the selling price increases by 10%? Or, how would a decrease in raw material costs affect the gross profit margin? ChatGPT can help you explore various what-if scenarios to support decision-making. In conclusion, Incorporating ChatGPT into your financial statement analysis can be a valuable tool for you. Remember to formulate clear prompts, provide accurate data, ask relevant questions, analyze ratios and trends, explore variance analysis, and engage in a dialogue for a comprehensive analysis. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Happy analyzing with ChatGPT.